Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crafty Mation. And guys, in today's video I'm gonna make stickers with only few things. So before I start, give this video a like. So let's get started. So the things you need are a circular paper, double-sided tape, scissor, sketch pens and a pencil. So firstly, take the piece of paper and color and draw your emoji on it like this, and now we will color it something like this. And now our emoji is ready, and we need to put a piece of double-sided tape over here so that it gets sticked. So let's stick it. And we are done with our sticker. And when you need to stick it somewhere, so remove the paper on the double-sided tape and you can stick it. Guys, our sticker is ready. So I have more to show you. So let's get started. So guys, this is all of the sticker that I just made. So guys, you can stick it anywhere as I am sticking it in my diary. Great. So guys, this was all for today's video, and if you like my stickers, so give this video a like. Do share this video to your friends so that they can also make their own stickers, and subscribe to my channel for more uploads like this, and hit the bell icon to get the information while I upload my video, and comment down below your favorite emoji. So this was all for today guys. So see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.